Namaskar. Long time ago, there lived a very powerful king. He had everything that a man could desire for, but still his mind used to remain very restless. One day, a very wise man came to his court. Looking at his aura, the king was very much impressed. He rolled out the red carpet for that wise man, made him stay in the most luxuriant palace, gave him lot of attendants to look after his needs, served him the best of food that was possible. The king expected that the wise man would acknowledge that, bestow upon him the choicest of wishes, but nothing of that sort happened. The wise man remained just as such as he had come. He behaved just as normally, his aura also remained the same. But king was very much disappointed. So he withdrew all the special privileges that he had given to the wise man. He made him stay in a very simple chamber, did not give him any attendants to look after him, and the food that was served to him was a very simple food. He expected that now the wise man would be disturbed. But nothing of that sort happened. The wise man just remained grounded. His aura remained the same, his energy level was just the same, and the glow on his face, that also remained the same. The king was taken aback and he was also very much impressed. He asked the wise man, "Sir, initially I gave you a very good treatment, you were served with all kinds of luxuries, and then all of them were taken away. But you remained grounded as such. I could see the same divine light shining through you as I saw on the first day when you were receiving all those luxuries, and now when you do not have anything with you. How do you remain grounded like this?" The wise man smiled and said, "Everything that you are seeing around you is temporary. The only thing that is permanent in this world is that everything is going to change. So why do you identify yourself with all those things? If you have to identify yourself with the divine light that is present within each person. Identify that sacred spot within yourself. Identify that light within yourself, and then you can remain peaceful and calm under any kind of circumstance." The king said, "What you are saying is very powerful, but how do I achieve that? With me, what happens is that when I achieve something, I feel so ecstatic. At times I tend to get carried away, and when something does not happen according to my wishes, then I tend to feel depressed. Can you give me a mantra or write down something for me that whenever I am getting carried away, I read it and I become grounded, and when I am feeling low, I read the same line again, and then my spirits are lifted up again." The wise man wrote very simple 4 words on a piece of paper and gave it to the king. The king opened the paper and read. On it was written, "This too shall pass." Notice, whatever is happening around you, that is just a temporary phase of life. Sometimes things are very good for you, sometimes things are not as good for you. How you maintain yourself, that is the key thing. Right now, we are facing a time of crisis. And during this time of crisis, it is our responsibility not only to take good care of our health, we also need to be responsible for our society, but also we need to be responsible for our own being. During this difficult and trying time, what kind of a person you are going to be? A person who is in his power, or a person who is disturbed? A person who is still smiling, or a person who has become very sad or depressed? What kind of a person you are going to be? Maybe this is the time that you look for that divine light within yourself and be attached to that. Everything around you is temporary, but that divine light within you, that is always there within you. So just try to connect with that. Thank you.